Are you tired of paying a bunch of money every month on questionable period products? Luckily, there's a better solution for your period. Kind Cup is designed by me and made in California. Kind Cup is simple to insert, and after you go up to 12 hours, the removal stem, really easy to reach for hassle-free removal. Our patented shape works with the curves of our bodies, making Kind Cup so comfortable, you basically forget you have your period. I started Kind Cup because I believed we deserved a better period product. One that we can trust, and that's intentionally designed to work with our bodies and be more comfortable, effective, and easy to use. Kind Cup uses the highest quality, 100% medical grade silicone and pigment. Experience the freedom of up to 12 hours of leak-free period comfort with Kind Cup. Save money and the planet. Ditch the tampons and switch to Kind. You deserve it.